Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. Well, obviously y'all are getting into it. I'm getting into it. You're getting into it. Cranberry hair got into their bag on this one, okay y'all? She's a headband wig. But before we get into any of that, if y'all didn't know, you're about to know. I do Amazon wigs on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss one of my videos. Back to the reality of things, y'all. This is a headband wig. She is giving huge and heatless curls and heatless volume, y'all. No products except for actually edge product. No heat, no products, huge volume, all in this one unit, you guys. The link is going to be in the description box below per usual, so make sure you guys check down there for that. Let's get into this video today about this deep wave headband wig from Cranberry hair. Okay, you guys, I'm really excited to get into this review for you guys because I had a great experience with this unit. So these are some items that came in the box. Not really much came in the box actually, but they did give you this bag to work with if you want to put your wig back in there for safe security. So here is the headband wig, you guys. This is their curly headband wig, human hair kinky curly headband wigs for black women. Cranberry hair, full machine made Remy Brazilian hair wig, and she is long. I have this unit in 26 inches, and this unit is from Aliexpress. You guys can see the curls in there. They're super defined. I actually went in and washed this unit before I applied her. I've been wearing her actually before this review, and so that's why I love to come to you guys after I've worn a wig for some time and show you guys the results of it and how it's still looking, and it's still looking amazing to me. So the wig cap construction is pretty basic, your normal standard combs, as well as a nice sturdy headband on the top. Okay, you guys, this wig is on Aliexpress and it ships from the United States or China. Either way, you have options for a 7-day delivery. The wig unit that I have on is 180 density. If you guys want to go ahead, you can go for 150 density if you think this is just too much hair for you. I thought this was perfect. I actually went in and tried styling her, parting her on the sides, and even seeing like if I would do a half up, half down, and she worked out amazingly. All I did to style her was lay my edges down, and I ended up combing her out just to get more volume. You can wear her just like this if you want, but I thought the wig was so much more prettier when you actually comb these curls out that are all like munched together, because I let the wig air dry and you actually let this wig get really big and you kind of just get the most out of it, especially for it just to be a headband wig. I did not expect this much hair to be on there, y'all. Like, she was giving model vibes. Like, oof, let me find out there's a way to like take off headband wigs and put on a frontal or something, and y'all gonna see this is the first wig that's gonna happen to it, because she's just, this unit right here is bad in a good way, all a good way. But the color of this wig is a natural color, and the price for this unit that I have on in 26 inches and 180 density is $142.03. So styling this wig was so easy because she is, I would say she's more of a deep wave or a deep curly. I know on their website it does say kinky curly, but I definitely got deep wave kind of vibes from this. She's perfect for the beach or for the summer, because if she does get wet, these curls bounce right back, and these are the actual natural curls of the wig after you let it air dry and or sit on a towel. I suggest you put it on a towel so that these deep waves can come back into the wig and you won't have any issues later. So there are definitely some personal things that I want to tell you guys that I experienced when getting this wig. When I got this wig, the curls in it were kind of hard and the hair was kind of hard. I can tell that it was definitely steamed, and I was a little worried about that. I just suggest that as soon as you get it, I know the curls are going to be beautiful in this unit, but I do suggest that you wash it so you can get your natural wave pattern and the hair won't be as crinkly or as tough to manipulate. even then it was so pretty. I was still wearing it to the gym. I was wearing it to just go get groceries. Like, I was not feeling like doing my hair. A lot was going on, and I just went to this headband unit every single time, and I always got compliments on this. So I'm super excited to tell y'all about this, and y'all should really check in the description box and go look at it for yourself. It is on their Aliexpress website, and if you guys want some coupons, they do offer $2 off, and if I find any coupons, I'll be sure to put them in the description box below. But do y'all see this? Do y'all see? Is it just me? Now, I can admit she does have some scraggly ends, and I would suggest that you go in there and snip those off. For me, I kind of liked it because it really gave it a huge, super natural look, and she's just super flowy. You can run your fingers through them. Because I did wear her for a good 3 weeks off and on, I did not experience any shedding. She did shed some when I washed and conditioned her, but that's usually expected with curly or deep wavy hair, so I do not knock it for that. If you guys really like this unit, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Like I said, if you're going to get this unit, I do not suggest using any products. This is how she is, just washed and blow dried, and you don't even need to use any heat to get these curls. Please don't use any heat because I don't want y'all messing up this hair. This hair was just too good to be true for an Aliexpress wig. But like I said, if you guys like this, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and let me know what y'all think in the comments. That's it for this video today, you guys. If y'all have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I can't even stop looking at myself, like, oof. Oof. Woo, healthy. It just, I grew it out. I grew it out, sis. I grew it out. Hair tips. You want them? I got them. Hair growth tips. You want them? I don't got them, but I can sure make sure it looks like we both got them, okay?